let's try this again. My phone got clicked off or something. I don't know. I apologize. Okay, we're still on the top shelf. I'm almost too short to clean this. Anyways, in this video, I told you I'd tell you a little bit about myself. Make sure we're still recording. I think we are. Okay. Anyways, I am a mom of two. I've been married to Riley and Race. Riley's the oldest, Race is the baby. Been married to my husband James for 28 years. It'll be 29 next year. We live in Southern Ohio, in a small town. Don't have a whole lot here. We have to travel to get to the nicer stores. We do have a Sam's Club in about a half-hour away in Chillicothe, but Costco is over an hour and 40 minutes away. Chillicothe has a lot of nice restaurants. We have just the basic restaurants, you know, McDonald's, Taco Bell, we have all the fast food. Anyways, just a small town. We raised both our boys here. We just recently moved in this house in 2018, and we lived across town since 1998, and then in 2018 we bought this house, and we doubled our size. So anyways, we love it here. I love Jackson County. I manage / retail manager at a local swimming pool store called Ratliff's, and we sell hot tubs, swimming pools, in-ground pools, above ground pools, all the chemicals. And that's my full-time job, April to November. So, because I'm a seasonal worker. My husband is an IT architect. He works from home, so he gets to stay home with the dogs all day. And he really enjoys that. I'm definitely not a stay-at-home person. Not horrible, but it's not my favorite. So come April, I'm usually ready to go back to work. And Riley is 27, our oldest son. He works for the school system. He's an IT assistant. And Race works at our local Kroger pharmacy, and he's a pharmacy technician. They're both in school for IT, of course, and I couldn't ask for two better boys. They are so helpful. Riley's getting married to Samantha in October, and they just recently bought a house just right down the road, and it's a fixer-upper. So hopefully, if I enjoy doing this, I will take you along for that trip, because it is an old house and it needs a lot of work. So if I keep making videos, I'll definitely record some of those. All right, so all the shelves are clean now. So I'll just put back my leftovers. Put anything expired in the trash. Dishes in the dishwasher. We are almost done. Wasn't that fast? And it's not perfect, but it's wiped down, it's clean. I know I probably need to take all these out and clean them, but it's not happening today. But I will go through if there were anything bad. All looks good. This is probably bad. Yes, get rid of that. Riley's fiance, she sells insurance in Waverly. That's what she does, and they, like I said, they'll be married in October of next year. So we're all excited for that. Although I don't want Riley to move out, I know it's that time, so I'm just dealing with it, you know. So, anyways, okay. There's all the leftovers. Get rid of these. Now I gotta take the trash out. Okay. So, not too bad. I'll try to add the first video I took. I don't know if I can do that or not. I'm learning. But all my shelves need wiped. But I was going to try to make this short and sweet because yesterday's was way too long. But thank you if you viewed it and watched it. I appreciate it. Okay, there we go. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Bye. Have a blessed day.